So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing another new product release video for you guys. Right in front of me there's a new version 3 sports grill. Oh my goodness, take a look guys. So this was actually in the works for a year and a half now. We want to do something very OEM plus, and as you guys know from the stock grill, we'll show them in a bit with the customer's cart, it's completely gray with the emblem. And what we did with the V3 grill is we took out the middle piece, which I think looks hideous, and then we connected all the lines. So now your grill can match all the hex pattern, which is on your lower part of the grill, which we'll show you in a bit because the car is almost here. And then we also did it gloss black. You cannot put the OEM emblem on anymore because it just looks a lot cleaner without it. For those people interested in this grill, we're the only one offering this. So check it out, it looks super sick. I think the pattern initially was really nice because on our VB, we painted the stock one gloss black and put the emblem over it. It looked good, you know, but I think with the middle bar is just like kind of lame. And then actually Subaru sell a STI version of this for like 500 bucks. So you can get this for like 200 bucks, which is really nice. So we're gonna wait for one of our customers' car to pull up right now and we'll do a comparison side by side. And actually we could show them the sports grill, the blue one there with the OEM sports grill. Let's show them real quick. All right guys, so as you know, there are 4 grills on the market right now. This one is the OEM from the factory, right? So just for reference, right? So OEM, you get the holes. Again, I don't have the lower parts because we took it to paint, but it doesn't really match. It's not as clean. So with the OEM holes like this, you know, it's a different shape. So I think the bottom looks more aggressive. So we have the OEM, the OE style. We have the original sports grill, which is this grill without the emblem and all those holes exposed. And then we have our V2 grill, which is on our car right now. So this is a crystal black silica, available in carbon fiber as well, with the mesh type. So, and then we have now our version 3. So a lot of options. You don't have to run the V3. If you want something new, this is V3 here. We also have the V2 and the V1, the OE style. So a lot of options for you guys, okay? So I'm gonna just give you like, you know, a little comparison as differences. On our VB, we don't know what we're gonna run yet. There's a lot of options, so we're gonna find out as soon as the car is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and wait for the customer car to pull up, and I'll show you guys the difference between the V3 and the stock grill. Guys, our customer's VB just pulled up. Magnetite gray with like very spicy. He just lowered it too. So I was looking for someone to test fit the grill right here. He pulled up right after he installs coilovers. He also has the AFD S-style 10mm color match fenders, our window visors, our V1 duckbill, and he has a Tomei exhaust as well. And now he's gonna put on our V3 grill. So let's go ahead and walk to the front and show you guys the difference. So I was saying earlier, so this is OEM. So you have the emblem and you have this bar right here, obviously in gray. I don't know why Subaru does isn't great, to be honest, but you know, it doesn't matter now. We're gonna swap this over. As you can see, we delete this piece right here along with the emblem. So give it a more cleaner OEM plus look. And also, like I said, this hex matches the sides of the lower part of the bumper versus the sport grill, which it doesn't, right? So maybe some people still like the sport grill. It looks clean either way, but I think this is more of a OEM plus look cleaner. So go ahead and I'll show you guys how to put this on. So go ahead and get the bumper off. On the back is pretty straightforward. They utilize all the OEM clips and then the 3 screws. So you take off your OEM screws and just drill it on. So it'd be straightforward install. Give me some beautiful B-rolls, Jerry. We just finished the V3 sports grill. As you can see, it looks crazy. I love it. I like the V2 as well, but this V3 is something different and new for those who don't have a grill yet. You know, this is a good option to use. We also added the front license plate delete because the factory come with 2 holes, so we'll go ahead and put the AFD one. This is available too on the website, guys. Now, see, the texture is matched. We are coming out with a lower piece too in the future, right? All 3. So this is gonna be gloss black too. So once you have gloss and gloss, it's gonna look perfect. Car looks crazy, guys. So we'll go ahead and get this back to the customer. And if you're interested in the V3 grill, link in the bottom below. But that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.